Here's how to use text blocks and links. On your Squarespace main navigation, click Pages and then click the plus icon next to Main Navigation. Next, click Start with a blank page. Whenever you create a new page or section, it always comes pre-filled with a text block. If you hover over the middle of any block, you'll notice that a plus icon appears. This is how you insert or create a new block. And these are also called insert points. Type in some filler text and let's go over the different options. Your options are similar to any general Word document. You can bold, underline, or italicize words, and you can link to other stuff, and more on this later. You also have different paragraph and heading styles. This is where you can make something a header or just a regular paragraph text. You can change the color of text, and you can also highlight text to show it as a quote. You have the alignment section, which allows you to left, right, or center align your text. You can also use bullet points or a numbered list. Next is indenting your text. You can indent forward and backward using these arrows. If you're copying text from somewhere and you don't want to import the text styles, then you can click the Notepad option. Paste it here and then it will import as regular text without the formatting. The garbage can also allows you to remove the text block. You can also hover over a block, click and hold the block, and then drag it to the bottom center of a page so that you can just drop it into a garbage can that way. And you can do that for all the blocks. When linking text, highlight the text and then click the link button. You can either just insert a link or use more options by clicking the gear icon. Web address is usually good for outbound links, and that's what you typically choose for a general website link. Page allows you to choose from your own pages, which is good for internal links. Email allows the person clicking the link to start an email to the address of your choice that you have pre-filled for them. Phone number is similar, which is very helpful, especially on mobile. File allows the person clicking the link to download a file that you have uploaded here. You'll notice that for all of these options, you can choose to have the link open in a new browser tab. Here is a good rule of thumb. If you're linking to anything other than your website's pages, have the link open in a new tab. This makes it easier for people to stay on your content. You don't want someone clicking on a link to another website and then just forgetting about you. That would be super sad. Here is a super simple life hack that could also drive you crazy if you don't know it. Make sure that you press Shift and Enter when you don't want a big space in between lines when you're starting a new paragraph. This took me way too long to figure out, so make sure you press Shift and Enter. Remember, this is just part of our 4-course series. You can find the full courses all linked up in the description box below. Let's put the art back into content marketing. I'll see you on the next video.